spaghetti. Wait, what are you doing in my fridge?
I'm just getting something.
Okay. Parmesan.
This thing's cold. I gotta warm it up.
Wait, what the hell? What are you doing?
I'm just warming it up.
That's what the microwave's for. Stop that.
Okay.
Let's see, what is this?
It's not working.
Hey, bad.
What?
Lay it in there.
I'm just trying to put it in without it getting dirty.
Stop rubbing the damn thing. Now press 1. Press it. Gotcha, fucking stupid. 1.
1.
That's 1. 0. Press 0 one more time. Now press start.
Is this it?
No. That's button, right? Start. Okay, right? There. There you go, your food's being cooked.
It's pretty. I like corn dogs.
Bow! That's for masturbating the corn dog.
Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna crap in the you know,
Why are there ear things in there? That's where we end this.